building.
You've been there?
Yeah. Eggersford Forest. Keep it going.
Rainbow House.
Look at them on the roof. Yeah, obviously. They're they thatch them in, don't they? Imagine that for a balcony. Pump house. I think it was.
It says Lloyd's on the door.
Oh.
Like as a sign saying Lloyd's. Doesn't the horseshoe represent something? Like it means something. You put it on the door, it's like symbolises.
It's supposed to be good luck, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good luck. That way? That's the
yeah.
entrance to the church.
Yeah.
Or just cut through that way.
Yeah.
This is nice. Like,
This is the square.
very old village, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, back there it said something about 1260 or something.
Oh wow.
That's been there. Does that say 1910?
Yeah. Creator love, have no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends.
Yeah, First World War, I think. Remembering.
Wow.
A little bit breezy. Ancient trackway to Copplestone. Yeah.
It's gonna be what goes down must come back up.
Yeah. What goes down will come back up. God, it is steep. Look at that. And it's very windy. Apologies. It's got that trackway vibe to it, hasn't it? Definitely one of Devon's potholes. You know this isn't a well-used track when you're going down the middle of it and there's grass growing right in the middle of the road. So this is, I think it's called the Ridge and Valley Way, or the Ridge and Valley Walk, and if you follow it all the way it goes towards Eggersford Forest.
Eggy Forest.
Eggy Forest.
Yeah. Go on, look. We've got ages to go still.
Just down there.
Look how steep it is.
I didn't tell him this. Look at this. Beauty. Bit of a fork in the road here. You can go up or you can go down. Don't know how well this will come up on the camera, but this is sort of where we're heading, and you can see from those contour lines that this is pretty steep. How are your legs?
Gets my knees going down.
Gets your knees going down, so it might be easier coming back up. I mean, at least we're walking it. I don't think this would be one to be driving. Now I don't know a lot about ferns, but I'm guessing that these bits might unfurl. They look like little snails. So, gardening expert, what's this?
Don't know. I was going to say buttercup. It's not though, is it?
No, it's like a daisy.
Why don't you build me a buttercup, baby, just to let me down?
That was lovely, that was. You don't want to hear me
It's
singing.
not. I don't know what it is.
How about if you know, you let us know in the comments down below. Take a picture and ask Gemini. We have an answer.
Lesser
Celandine?
celandine, known as one of the first messengers of spring. These flowers are easily identified by their glossy star-shaped yellow petals and dark green heart-shaped leaves. They typically bloom in damp woodland areas, and a beautiful sign the morning sun is beginning to linger that little bit longer.
Very pretty though. And it fits your description because it is early spring, isn't it?
We've just had Easter.
We have.
We've had Easter and eggs.
We had Easter eggs. And now we're having our Easter steep walk. So we're back filming videos again, but a little bit more local to home. We fancied doing some videos which were a bit more simplistic and not as heavily edited, maybe a little bit of music, but more natural sounds. You're definitely going to hear some natural sounds with the wind today, but we just fancy something a bit more local.
Yeah, and we're doing things alongside other things. So this, day-to-day life, we have things that we have to do, and we have to go and explore, and I don't know, we might have an appointment for something. We're trying to actively make it into a day out as well and explore that place. So for example, if we're going to the dentist, we could try and find a walk or somewhere to explore after the dentist where the dentist is. Not that we've done that today, but still, we've been through Chulmleigh, but we've never been to Chulmleigh. So today we thought, well, we might as well explore it a bit more, and it may feel familiar to things that we may do in the future or have done, but it's nice to see these places from different angles, in different lighting, different weather, different times of year.
And also we want to make these videos as well for us. It can be quite dark and cold and wet in Devon in the winter. Not that I'm moaning about where we live, but we can't really get out as much. We're not the sort of people who like to go out when it's really cold and wet. So
and
this
icy.
and icy just gives us that opportunity to look back at what we done in the year as well, and enjoy it and think, yeah, we've actually been and seen our local area rather than just going abroad or
And
going
also,
to other parts of the country.
We're basically creating a visual journal opposed to a written journal of what we do for our day. We just want to the UK and the world in general have so much natural beauty to explore that we all just go to the tourist trap. We all go to the thing that costs £50 to get into, and then we spend an hour there and we go home and we haven't actually seen anything.
And we've done that ourselves.
Really, we've done it, and we're going to keep doing it. But there's things that we can do that are totally free, and you can have a better day out sometimes just going for a walk by a river opposed to paying £50 to go into
A tourist
attraction. Yeah, we've just got lots of places in Devon, especially North Devon, that we haven't yet explored yet. We've lived here for I've lived here longer, but 10 years.
You probably 10, me 8 years.
Yeah.
But it's just remembering that where we live is a part of the country that people like to go to and see.
On holiday, yeah.
And we're here all the time. We can go and enjoy these places
As and when.
A weekday if we're free.
After work, whatever.
Yeah.
Anyway, should we continue down this hill, because we're like halfway down and
We're going to have to come back up again at some point. Right. There's the road ahead.
Andy's a little bit scared. They've all been following us, the cows. I mean, they probably just like humans, like proper following us. And there is a bull there, I don't know if you can see it. That's quite scary, that one. That's walking towards me right now. He's absolutely terrified of it. It's probably just because we're not used to it. But there we go.
I'll be the first to admit that I don't like that sort of thing.
It's a public footpath, so they're probably not a threat at all. I think they were just interested in you and, like, you know, friendly.
Yeah.
They probably just thought you were going to feed them.
Yeah.
Andy was like, "Oh my god, it's a bull! Don't run! Don't run!" Starts the speed
But then
walk.
it looked like a bull, but can the female ones have horns?
I don't think that was like a bull,
It is twice the size of the rest.
Yeah, but I don't think it's like one of them threatening bulls that we know of.
No.
It's more of like just a male.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Well-
we're going to start going up this very steep hill.
And it's got traffic on, so we've just got to be a bit...
Yeah, so I'm going to turn the camera off here and we'll pick you up at the top. Christmas tree farm. They're
Yeah.
growing them.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So come and get your Christmas tree here.
There's like
Little baby ones.
ones for like big buildings and ones for the home.
They're obviously growing them. Take it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Key.
Chulmleigh Hill Christmas tree farm.
Yeah. Suppose you got to grow them at some point, haven't you?
Church on the hill.
Yeah. Church up there.
Oh, it's a steep.
Steep up the hill, back towards Chulmleigh village. Oh, I feel like the temperature's gone up a bit as well.
I'll be up blood as well.
Yeah, you've been attacked by a bug. Right, we'll check in with you when we're a bit further up, because all you'll hear is me panting otherwise. Hitching a free lift. And then we emerge back into the village of Chulmleigh. A little bit out of breath. Bit of a steep walk back up. Just got to be careful because there's mains traffic, or main road traffic rather. Right, so we're back at the car now, and that completes our walk around Chulmleigh and the surrounding area. We'll catch you next time. Bye.
Bye. So start this way. No, stand here. Camera facing us. Can you just turn that off? Or something?
No, it's on. It's on.
You're gonna say?
You're gonna say. I'll say.